Hey everybody, it's Abby, and today I'm doing something really special. See ya! I'm going to unbox and try out the Addmotor M70 that has been customized so that I can control it, obviously with my paw in my one hand, and I can drive it and be comfortable and safe. So let's get started.
Should I get this as a tattoo?
And we had to continue on a different day. So this is a totally different day, but I didn't think ahead about charging. So we got the bike all together. This looks really sweet. Look at this. This is, again, the Addmotor M70. They let me pick the color. I think this is the coolest color with that orange and has that sort of like old school military vintage vibe. So today we're going to do a test ride, and also I'm going to talk about all the awesome features and specs of the M70. And then I mentioned this while we were putting it together, this big old headlight. There's just like, anyway, point is that this bike, it feels really premium, feels really well made. And oh yeah, last but certainly not least, Addmotor was amazing to work with. They basically made me a custom throttle setup and sent me instructions for how to put it together. Bye. Woo! What did I say about off-roading? See ya.